Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MV Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Smartphone integration to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for a media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for infotainment center. This C-Class has 31,549 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.